Okay, let's unpack this. We've got a review here looking into something called Betronomy. It's pitched as this, AI betting bot, promising really high returns for investors.
Yeah.
Sounds great on paper.
Yeah, the ultimate passive income dream, right? For
Yeah.
AI doing the work. But, well, the source material we have is definitely waving some red flags. It really forces us to ask, okay, is this a genuine AI thing? Or is it, like the source suggests, just another Ponzi scam?
Right.
So today we're going to dig into what the sources say about it, the product, the money flow, and those warning signs.
Okay, let's start there. The product. The review highlights this as a major problem. Apparently, when they looked for the actual bot, the apps, any kind of trading system,
Nada.
nothing.
Exactly. It seems Betronomy doesn't really have an external product. What they sell is basically just a paid membership, and that lack of a real product. That's what the source is calling Ponzi speak.
Ponzi speak.
Yeah. If there's no outside service or asset making money, then, the new member or the product, what's really being sold is, well, hope that it doesn't collapse before you get your money out. A rug pull, as they say.
Okay, that's
Okay.
yeah. So how do they sell that hope? What's the financial hook?
It's these investment plans. They've got tiers like brick up to titanium.
Yeah.
And they're promising these, frankly, huge returns, up to 3.5% on what you put in.
3.5%. That's wow.
Right. And the tiers, they mostly seem about getting you to invest more upfront, not about accessing better AI or anything because, well,
Because the AI part seems missing.
precisely.
So if the AI isn't making those profits, where's that 3.5% actually coming from?
It has to be coming from new people joining. The source is pretty clear on this. They say the returns are funded by a really aggressive recruitment strategy, multi-level marketing style.
Okay, an MLM structure.
Yeah, and it goes deep. The compensation plan pays out commissions down to like level 13.
13 levels deep. Wow.
Wow.
But wait, aren't commissions like 10% kind of normal for affiliate programs? How does the source differentiate this?
It's about the focus and the depth. A legitimate MLM, it sells a real product. Recruitment is a bonus. Here, the commissions are high early on, 10%, 7%, and paying that deep, 13 levels, is often a sign of a pyramid structure. The entire engine seems geared towards pulling in new money to pay the earlier investors their promised ROI. That's the source's argument.
And it's easy to get in, right? Keeps the recruitment engine going.
Exactly. It's technically free to join, but to actually earn anything, you've got to invest at least $25 in crypto. And the source claims that money goes straight into the scam wrist exchange wallet.
Which sounds like just a private wallet, not a regulated exchange.
Seems like it. Unregistered, unverified, basically a pool for investor money with little oversight. And that brings us to the really big red flags. Just a total lack of transparency, no clear info on who owns or runs Betronomy, no audits showing how returns are made. And crucially,
No proof of any external revenue. No betting profits, no trading gains, nothing.
dingo.
So combine that lack of outside income with the heavy focus on recruitment.
And the source lands on a pretty firm verdict. It's a scam. The model is just new investments paying off existing members. Classic Ponzi setup.
And the prediction is a rug pull.
Yeah, that's the term. Basically, once recruitment slows down, and it always does, the people behind it are likely to just vanish with the pooled funds.
Okay. So for you listening, the big takeaway here is
You've got to see the difference. Is the money coming from a real external business activity like actual AI betting, or is it just coming from signing up new people? Always ask that.
And here's a final thought from the review, kind of ironic. If this AI bot was real and actually smart, the source suggests it should probably be betting against Betronomy itself, shorting it.
Huh.
Makes you think, doesn't it? What does a scheme have to rely on when its only real product is getting more people to put their money in? That's the critical lens to apply.